This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WWG82 broadcasting from a tower on Bald Mountain, operating on a frequency of 162.525 MHz. This transmitter is serving the western North Carolina mountains. The current time is 5:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations on Wednesday, November 19th. At the Asheville airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 68 degrees, the dew point 52, and the relative humidity 56%. The wind was north at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.13 inches and steady. At Knoxville, it was cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point 54, and the relative humidity 53%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.08 inches and steady. At Chattanooga, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 75 degrees. At Bristol, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 63 degrees. Elsewhere in western North Carolina and Tennessee, it was mostly cloudy. It was 70 at Hickory, 70 at Franklin, 73 at Charlotte, 71 at Nashville, and 68 at Crossville. In South Carolina, Georgia, and northern Alabama, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 73 at Athens and 77 at Rome. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 74 at Greenville-Spartanburg, 73 at Atlanta, 70 at Gainesville, and 74 at Huntsville. Once again at 5 p.m., at the Asheville airport, it was 68 degrees and mostly cloudy. At Knoxville, it was 72 degrees and cloudy. The NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards transmitter WWG82, broadcasting from Bald Mountain and serving the western mountains of North Carolina, remains off the air. Replacement parts are on order and repairs are expected to be made by the end of November, which will bring the transmitter back into service. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause our listeners. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern mountains of North Carolina, including the Smokies. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the upper 60s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday night, cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning. Highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Friday night, rain likely. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. The extended forecast for the listening area. Saturday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Lows in the upper 40s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a chance of rain in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs around 60. Chance of rain 40%. A warm and increasingly moist air mass settles into our region through the weekend. Rain chances will be highest over the mountains late this week as low pressure tries to organize to the west of our area. Drier air filters in late in the weekend and into the early part of next week.